Hello, today I want to look at ethers as a chemical family. Ethers as a family tend to be quite antispasmodic and carminative, and essential oils that are rich in ethers will have kind of a very distinctive spicy aroma, and they also tend to be quite stable. The component within ethers that I want to look at in particular is anethole, which is very high in aniseed. It's at about 89-90% in aniseed. And it's brilliant for, it's sedative, it's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic. And what I want to do with this family and this component today is make a digestive rescue blend. So if you've overeaten, if you've eaten too many rich foods, if you've eaten foods that you know don't agree with you, and your stomach is not happy, you're bloated and you need rescued, literally, then this is the massage blend you need to have. So I have taken 15 mils of argan oil. You can use any carrier you like. Argan oil tends to penetrate the skin really quickly, so we want that in this blend. And I've deliberately made it in a massage blend, not a balm or a wax, because I want the oils to get into through your blood barrier quickly, your skin blood barrier quickly. So the blend's quite simple. We're going to use aniseed, peppermint, ginger, juniper berry and Chamomile Roman. So as I make the blend, I'll explain why I've chosen those oils. So aniseed obviously is going in here because of, as I explained, its componentry. So for it, I'm going to put in 5 drops of aniseed. And aniseed is a perfect example of an ether-rich essential oil. It's got that distinctively spicy aroma that, in my opinion, it's a love or hate, that aroma. I don't mind it, it's fine, but not everyone loves it. So the next one I'm going to use is peppermint, and I'm going to use 6 drops of peppermint. So peppermint is good in here for a few things. It's cooling, obviously, which you would want. But it's detoxifying, which is exactly what you want if you have bloating or you've overdone it or you've had too many rich foods. It's antispasmodic as well, which is perfect. It smells beautiful also. And then ginger. So ginger is perfect in this blend. It is going in at 6 drops. And ginger is going in here for a few things. It's antispasmodic, it's carminative. But ginger also is brilliant to aid digestion and bring balance back to digestion. So if you have overdone it and your digestion is not sync or is not happy, then ginger will really help to bring that back. And then we use juniper berry. So juniper berry is going in at 5, and juniper berry is going in for one very simple reason. It is my bloating essential oil. So when bloating is relevant, sorry, there's one too many. When bloating is relevant, reach for juniper. So you need it whenever you're trying to rescue your digestive system. And then Chamomile Roman is beautiful in this. Not only is it sedative, it's a brilliant digestive aid, and it's going in at 4 drops. It is beautiful for this. Lovely and sedative, a beautiful aid. It's quite a simple recipe with 5 essential oils, but they all really work to bring your digestive system back again. And LabAroma's analytics shows that this blend has the greatest impact on the digestive system, and it's 17.8% ethers, which is brilliant. It's a perfectly balanced oil for the digestive system. So massage it on when you need rescued and let it settle. Take some water, a few deep breaths, give it some time, and let me know how it works for you.